So on this episode of Mixed In, we're talking about sound effects. So when you're telling a story, sometimes sound itself is the main part of the video where it could tell the story. And we have an example with a soda can.
What the fuck are you doing? Recycling, bitch!
So in this one, it's sometimes sound effects can be help with ambience, so it doesn't make the scene seem so dead or all alone. It's just you. It helps sell that you're actually somewhere else instead of in a studio
all by yourself.
And then she said, "Why is it so sticky?" All right, next we have the funny lacking styles from Keith Williams.
Hi. Okay. So this is kind of an older one. I don't know if you've heard it yet, but okay. So a teacher's talking to her students, right? She's all, okay. So what does the chicken give us? And the students reply, they give us meat. He's like, that's right. And then the teacher asks, hey, what does the pig give us? And the students reply, oh, they give us bacon. He's like, oh, that's right. And then the teacher asks, so what does the cow give us? And the teacher goes, and the students go, oh, they give us homework.
And then
the next one is cussing.
Yeah.
So it's going to be the beeping out. It's like most people don't realize it, but the beeps are actually part of the sound effects, and it helps kind of give a little bit of sense of humor to it. Maybe a little bit of naughtiness. A naughtiness you don't know about.
So here's an example of that.
What the f***? Who put a cup down without a coaster? You dick f*** licking ass juice motherfucker of the face and a white asshole cunt bitch without a living dick bitch ass fuck shitty bitch. I'm gonna fuck your face without a condom on a sweaty night!
What's going on, buddy?
So I think it's over there. Looking at the map.
No, Quest Map says it's right there.
What?
I said MapQuest says it's right there. It should be right there. I don't know.
I got it. It's supposed to be over there.
What?
Over there.
We're not looking for hairs.
Over there.
I don't think that's right. Because MapQuest says it. What's going on here?
All right, cut.
Done. That's it. I give up.
And that last one, that was just for fun.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.